Hi guys, we're at the Vineland Premium Outlet. I'm in my car doing the intro because it's windy out there and you won't hear me and you'll hear nothing but wind. My microphone is not the best of microphones. It works, but when it's windy it's not very good, so I figured do it in the car so you guys can hear me. You want to be able to hear me. But we're about to go in the Disney Character Warehouse store, see what they have new, see what's prices have gone down, maybe, I don't know. We're gonna hope and see. We'll check things out, and we'll take you guys with us. So you ready to go? Let's go. They got the train set still here for $100 and the bubble ones for $12.99, and I'm not lying to you, I really want one of these, but I can't do $12.99. If it goes cheaper, maybe, but not $12.99. They got some dog toys. Obi's already checked this one out. He says, yep. Let me see, how much is he? $12.99. And then there's these dog mats here. They are $7.99. $7.99. I've got the bone-shaped one, and they still have the leash holder for $9.99. Of course, they got cat toys and Marvel T-shirts for dogs. I asked Obi if he wanted this right here. Do you want this? No. You won't wear it, will you? Not for $12.99. $12.99? Are you out of your mind? Mickey ears. You got holiday ones for $14.99, and these ones are Pixar holidays for $14.99. I don't remember seeing these at the park. Mugs. Beach Club. Must be for your tea bag. $11.99, and then there's Christmas ones for $5.99. Halloween mats for $19.99, and of course more trains just in case they didn't have enough. Oh, that's a Coach Mini. I see. Pretty much the same stuff that they had here last week, except for, look at this, is here for $30, and this is an extra large. But there's still more Spirit jerseys in the back, so we're gonna go check those out next. And look at the leggings. I am so tempted for $12.99. I'm like really tempted to do this. Let me see.
I like those.
Did you want to say hi?
Yeah.
You can say hi to him. Obi, say hi.
Not in his face though.
Good boy.
Okay, what do you girls say?
He likes all the attention.
What kind?
Pomeranian?
I thought
It's just a shade. Yeah, we just
Yeah.
had one too. Or we had one.
Good boy. Say goodbye. Say goodbye first. Say goodbye. No, he doesn't want to say goodbye. I found this. It's a Guru colored framed art set for $14.99. They still have the Figment mugs and the turbises. And the electric parade magnets. Alright, Christmas wall. A lot of pin ornaments. There's ornaments with pins in them. And then you got the Starbucks cups. So they have a little bit of Halloween left over here. And then you got the Christmas stuff here. And Halloween shirts. They still have some Doonies. I love this pajama set for a kid. Here, it's Star Wars. Let me see, it's going for $12.99. And there's a hood on it too. It's cute. Up to snow good. They got the cookie cookie jar for $19.99. Tiana mugs for $12.99. And the Runaway Railroad is, I believe, it was $11.99? No, $14.99. My bad. We still have Mickey and Minnie right here. The Stony Clover Lane bags are still here. The backpacks. And then the little iridescent sidekick bags down there. And some fanny packs. But you still have Marvel stuff here. And some Star Wars. And, of course, you still have the Crocs. There's Crocs everywhere. Like I said, I don't remember seeing these in the stores. Those I did, but these I don't remember seeing, and they have an awful lot of them. And on the other side there's some more mugs. There's the Norway mug. Norway cup too. Reach for the Sky, Good Vibes Only. And then you have some Doctor Strange. That's why I don't know it. Like this one here. What is this one from? Color Me Courtney a Princess. Well, they're $5.99, whatever it is. This is new. $14.99. And of course they got Groot down there. How much is Groot? He is $12.99. And here's the little race. $12.99 for Mickey. I don't see Minnie, just Mickey. Oh yeah, here's Minnie. No, that's Mickey too. Yep. Okay, let me put this window down. Yeah, back into the car, and we're done with the Disney Character Warehouse. Obi, you're ready to go home, aren't you? We got one more stop to make and then we'll go home, okay? He, of course, made friends. He always does. He had a bunch of little friends come up to him and pat him and love him and kiss him and all that other good stuff. But no price really changes. A couple new things, not too much. Those mugs, those tumblers for 15 bucks. Ooh, that's a good deal. No, I didn't grab one. I was good. I didn't buy anything. I was good. I almost bought those Tower of Terror pants. I put them back. Nope, I don't need them. I got a bunch of pants. I don't need them. Uh-oh, helicopter. They're coming for me. I gotta go, guys. Alright. See you guys later. As always, thank you for being here, and I love you all. And make sure you're subscribed and hit that like button, that thumbs up. Boom.